Factor through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Josh Grimshaw, Landon Snyder, Rodney Bailey in the 51. Dalton Cox in the 00 machine. Justin Sanders in the 57, BJ Grimshaw. The 95 of Josh Grimshaw, your race lead to the 17 right there with him as well. Landon Snyder, here we go, off the corner, green flag, almost halfway home for our Park Center Sporting Goods SCDRA, guys. Big, huge SCDRA race coming up here in the month of October. And then November, you got a Cowboy Classic with a Carolina Sprint Car Tour. Josh Grimshaw, Landon Snyder there still in second. Rodney Bailey in the 51 there in that third position, a 00 of Dalton Cox. Oh, problems for Snyder. Landon Snyder with problems on the back straightaway. Former second place competitor. Up on the Thompson, we'll see if he's able to make it back, and he'll limp it into the infield. And we will stay clean and green with 11 laps coming back to 12 this time. The 95 of Josh Grimshaw still dominating this one. He's coming back, 2 laps to go. Rodney Bailey there in the 5. Now in second, the 00 of the 3rd of Dalton Cox. White flag in the air. Grimshaw looking to go ka-chow down into turn number 1 and 2 for the final time. In the 95, he'll work down the back straight away. Huge advantage now over the second place running Rodney Bailey off the corner. It's going to be Josh Grimshaw picking up the win. Rodney Bailey, Dalton Cox, BJ Grimshaw. Going to round out your competitors there in that one. And now it is time for our Enduros, Park Center Sporting Good Enduro drivers. Race fans climbing out down in, of course, our Boyd Cat Rental Victory Lane. Your SCDRA winner here on the night, presented by Park Center Sporting Goods. It's going to be Josh Grimshaw.